Hey guys, I'm here today to show you the dash cam that I received today. So it is a front and inside dash cam, so it will video the inside of the car as well as what is in front of you. So I will show you the installation process in the car, but I kind of just wanted to show you guys some of its features. This is the user manual that you will use. This is going to be the tool that you use to push the C port up into between the windshield and the top of the car so that it hides the wires when you plug it in. So it does use the C port, and it does plug into the lighter outlet. And then it also has a USB, if you can also use it to charge anything that you need. So that's a nice little added feature. So I'm not going to take away from anything in your car. It does come with this. This plastic piece will peel off and you put it onto the windshield, and that is what the actual camera portion sticks to. So this is going to be the camera part. This is the sticky portion, so it's kind of going to stick onto your windshield like this. And then this is the other portion of the camera, which is going to plug into here. So this is your outside camera, this is your inside camera. And then it plugs into the side right here that plugs into your lighter. It also comes with an extra sticky thing that you can use that will stick to the windshield should you need it. There's several different features. You can take pictures, you can take videos. It does come with an SD card. The SD card is right there on the side. So this will record whenever you have it on, and then it will save the videos. And once it's full, then it'll delete the very first and go from there. It is 4K Ultra HD. It does work off of 5G, or I believe you can hook it up to your Wi-Fi as well. You can take still photos, and then this is the power button. But I will show you everything. How to use it in the car and show you what it looks like driving during the daytime and the nighttime. So I will show you all that after this.